In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps for beginners. Google Maps helps you find places and get from point A to point B with clear, turn-by-turn guidance. We'll keep this simple. You'll learn how to search for a place, select the right result, get directions, choose how you're traveling, and follow the route confidently. First, type a place or address in the search bar at the top of Google Maps. This could be a street address, a business name, or a landmark. As you type, suggestions appear. Pick the one that best matches what you mean. Be specific if there are duplicates, like adding the city or neighborhood. If you're not sure of the spelling, even part of the name usually brings up helpful options. Next, click the correct result on the map. You'll see pins marking possible matches. When you select one, a panel opens with details like the full address and a preview photo. Take a moment to confirm it's the spot you want. If the map is zoomed out, scroll or zoom in so you can clearly see the location and nearby streets. This makes the next steps easier. Now, click Directions if you want to travel there. Google Maps will add the destination and ask for a starting point. By default, it uses your current location, but you can type a different start if you're planning ahead. You'll instantly see a suggested route with an estimated time and distance. Choose your travel mode: driving, walking, or transit. Each mode tailors the route to how you're moving. Driving considers traffic and road speeds. Walking prioritizes safe pedestrian paths. Transit shows options using buses, trains, or subways, often with departure times and transfers. Switching modes may change the route and the arrival time, so pick the one that fits your plan. Finally, follow the route shown on the map. On a phone, press Start to begin turn-by-turn guidance. You'll hear clear voice prompts so you can keep your eyes on the road or path. If you take a wrong turn, don't worry. Maps quickly recalculates and gives you a new route. For transit, review the steps, check the platform or stop name, and follow the timing cues so you arrive on schedule. Keep an eye on the colored traffic lines. Green means smooth, orange or red means congestion. That's it. With these basics, you can search, select, get directions, choose your mode, and arrive with confidence.